This is Stand 99 Pezula Private Estate, Knysna. The primary goal was restoration of the land and the creation of a lifestyle estate. The estate was designed to offer privacy and vast open spaces for the nature enthusiast. It was developed in 4 phases and work commenced in 2003. The final phase, Phase 4, is still to be completed. To date, 62 homes have been completed. Pezula Private Estate is one of the lowest density projects in South Africa. Plots vary in size from 3,000 square meters to 33,000 square meters. 85% of the property remains pristine indigenous forest and rehabilitated coastal fynbos, overlooking the sheltered beaches below the cliffs. Pezula Private Estate has been recognized as one of the most environmentally aware and best luxury developments in the world, offering investors a complete lifestyle experience. The estate has numerous amenities which include a boma, barnyard, clubhouse, field of dreams, tennis court, hiking trails, and walks and horse riding. Nestled between the dramatic shoreline of the East Head and the beauty of the Outeniqua Mountains lies the breathtaking Pezula Private Estate. Situated along the southwestern Cape Coast within the Knysna municipal area, it is west of the Nutsi River mouth and east of Knysna. Located on South Africa's scenic garden route, Pezula consists of 612 hectares and is nearly 4 kilometers of coastline. It is bordered by Nutsi Beach and Sinclair Nature Reserve and has panoramic views of the Indian Ocean and the magnificent indigenous forests and fynbos landscapes of the Southern Cape. It is close to the Pezula Championship Golf Course and the International Conrad Resort, Hotel and Spa, with homeowners enjoying access to all facilities and amenities of the award-winning resort. Amidst an ocean of exotic pine and eucalyptus trees, project planning commenced and approval was obtained in 2003. Pezula Private Estate, named after an African word meaning up high with the gods, was born. The vision of the developers was clear and driven by environmental thinking as opposed to business or purely money-making. With this in mind, 255 urban were identified, thus developing only 15% of the property available. This property will be auctioned off on Wednesday the 12th of September at Summer Place in Hyde Park at 12 noon. Further information can be found on highstreetauctions.com.